And so Jay Z goes and he does an interview, and I guess somehow the trademark of Blue Ivy come up, and he says, we don't want to actually use it. We just don't want anybody else to make money from her. No, don't say that, because the reason most celebrities trademark their kids' names because they don't want people to profit from their kids' name. And so let's talk about Blue Ivy real quick, because, oh my God, Jay Z, you have a right to remain silent. We say this for a reason as lawyers, because anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. Mm-hmm. And so they filed the application probably days after she was born. Mm-hmm. There's two types of applications you could file. You could file either a use application or a bona fide intent to use application. Now in the US, you have to either want to use a trademark to file it or have a bona fide intent to use it. Mm-hmm. And so Jay Z goes and he does an interview, and I guess somehow the trademark of Blue Ivy come up, and he says, well, we don't want to actually use it. We just don't want anybody else to make money from her. You have to have a bona fide intent to use it, right? Mm-hmm. So then fast forward, the situation comes up with the lady who has the wedding planning business, and she opposed Blue Ivy Carter trademark, and she said it would be confusingly similar to her wedding planning business and things like that. So now they're before the TTAB, which is the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board, and they want to introduce the evidence that Jay Z has said that he didn't have any bona fide intent to use it, right? Mm-hmm. But see, this is where lawyers, we play chess and not checkers, because Blue Ivy Carter trademark was actually owned by BGK IP Holding Company, mm-hmm. which stands for Beyoncé Giselle knows IP Holding Company. So this is why we incorporate those, so that we insulate ourselves as individuals. Also too, it's to really kind of protect the businesses from ourselves, mm-hmm. right? And because Jay Z is not the actual owner of the trademark, right? The holding company is. This evidence that he said in GQ magazine is actually hearsay. So it then becomes inadmissible testimony, right? Wow. So but they just recently got it approved after 12 years of going through this legal battle for their daughter's name. Wow.